Hello, welcome everybody. Hi, this is Tyler Baptist and I am with Dione Irwin's real estate team at RE/MAX House of Real Estate. And today I am doing a virtual open house tour of a listing in Varsity at the address number 125, 3111, 34th Avenue Northwest, Calgary. Okay, so I would like to welcome you guys, and I'm going to turn the camera around and start by showing you around the building. Okay. So, when you come into the building, you are coming in the front door here or from below in the parkade. I wanted to show you though that there is kind of a lounge area, reception area here, and it's very nice. You have access to your mailbox, and I wanted to show you, give you an idea of like where in the building we are. So coming in the front door, you do have 3 elevators, so there's no lack of access to the parkade down below. And then right over this way, we have the exercise room. Right now it's closed, but to give you an idea of where we are in the building and some of the amenities here, just thought I'd come in and show you where it's located. You also have a kitchenette here, so if you were to have maybe something going on with friends outside in the patio, courtyard area, you would be able to do so. Look at those beautiful trees. Love it. And then there's a barbecue for common use, as well as a picnic table, lots of benches, a really beautiful job in this courtyard of landscaping. Okay, so right this way, we will get to number 125. Another thing to mention is the hallways are very wide, they're bright, well maintained. That's important when you're buying a condo. All right, here we are. So what you'll notice is that we are next door, but yet there is a big separation between the common area room and this unit here. But that also means you only have neighbors on the one side of you, which is a nice bonus. Here we are in the kitchen. We have got a sill granite sink and a newer faucet. Lots of cabinet space, some thoughtful touches like the wine rack. The appliances are good quality. And that's maple cabinets. So that's a good quality type of wood. Okay. The next thing I want to show you is the luxury vinyl plank flooring, which is absolutely gorgeous, and it's throughout the entire unit. That is a really nice upgrade to have. No dusty carpets, no lino, nice, fresh, and open, bright in here. Okay, some other added bonuses is this eating bar. Handy eating bar here. And then there's room for a kitchen table right here. And it's open to the living room. There's 9-foot ceilings in this home, which makes everything seem so much more open and bright. Look at all the windows. I like this space here. If you have a TV, that'd be a good spot for it. Just really, really stunning. Okay, now I'm going to take you over here and show you this unit has a built-in desk, which is one of a kind in this building, and it's a great use of space. So I've got the built-in desk, the shelves, the lighting. It's really nice. There is the front closet for all your storage needs for coats and whatnot. And then over this way, the beautiful master bedroom. Again, bright, large room, huge windows, beautiful view of the courtyard. And that's south facing, so you're going to have nice sun, always be bright. This is a big room too. It would fit a king-size bed, no problem. And you have a walk-through closet with added shelves. So there's these ones here. And then there's also these handy ones here. Okay, and then here we are in the ensuite, but it's also accessed through this way. So it's kind of a two-doored master bath. The drawers are handy. And then they've done a nice new shower head, very nice. Tub shower combo. Of course, in-suite laundry is a must, which we have here as well. Okay. So, some other things about the property is that it's located right near Brentwood Station, C-train station, very close to the University of Calgary, and all the shopping and different accesses from Crowchild. You could walk to everything. This is a very well-maintained building. Here, I'm going to turn the camera around again. Show you the patio space. I love main floor patios because you're not limited by a railing. You're able to use your space and then also enjoy this gorgeous green space out here. And there, over here, I'll just take a couple steps. That is the university right across the street. So it's ideally located for people who maybe are students or working at the university. Also close to Brentwood Station, you're very close to downtown. The possibilities are endless here for easy access to all that Calgary has to offer. The condo fees for this unit are very low for a home of this size and age and location. So they are just slightly over $300 a month. And that includes all of your utilities except for electricity and of course phone, cable, internet should you choose to have that. And there is underground heated parking. And the unit has a parking stall that is got nobody to the side of you, so you have extra room to get in and out. You're not worried about sneaking in. You have quite a big space. And there's also heated underground visitor parking for when your visitors come to see you. So it is just an absolutely gorgeous unit. So many great things. Location, layout, finishes, upgrades. It's a hot property. And thanks so much for watching this virtual open house. If you have any questions, please message the team and we'd be happy to set up a private showing for you or answer any questions you might have. Thanks and have a great day, everybody.